after probably 20 hours, 30 hours, somewhere in that ballpark, I finally managed to be able to upload videos to Sony Vegas to make this vlog. Enjoy. Hey everybody, it's Drew with IBN Robotics. So Elijah and I realized we haven't put out anything in a while about robots or what we're doing. And that's because it turns out it's pretty hard to make robots and we have to do a lot of learning. So thank you for being patient with us. But in the meanwhile, we figured we'd give you some sort of vloggy type update of what we've been up to with our 2 projects that we're working on. And so what you'll be looking at with this section is my progress, and it'll start off with a jump to me playing with my camera settings. And so if it seems out of place to start, that's why. My apologies for that. The video file ended up getting corrupted along the way. But I hope you enjoy, and I hope it'll keep you satiated until we actually get you some real footage out soon. What if I test it without adjusting anything? I just look at it, and now it's auto-focusing on me. I'm not doing new things, just doing me. Just me. Just change some settings. Let's try that again. So looking over there, looking over there, looking over here, looking everywhere. Looking at the Furby, which is somehow out of camera now. That's a little weird. Oh, we don't want that, because that's gonna get bad. What about some of this? What about some of this? Huh? No? What about some of that? What about some of that? So now that we've done that bit where I'm playing with the camera, seeing the settings, playing with Open Broadcast System, which is the software I'm using to record this, I have been able to finally, after numerous hours, figured out how to get OpenCV to download properly onto the setup that I'm not going to move you in case that screws up all the focusing I just did. If you remember the photo that should be posted alongside Instagram and Facebook, it'll show my setup. Over here, you've got my actual computer. Over there, you've got my Raspberry Pi setup going on. So, finally figured out how to do a virtual environment and do do OpenCV and be able to install it and compile it. Compilation took like, I want to say 2 hours, which wasn't that bad. I was expecting 10 hours, so good. But now we're gonna try tonight to be able to actually look at the face and do the face things, and maybe it'll even pick up this face. This is a test object to see other faces. Probably won't work because it's kind of not human, but you know, gotta carry it around no matter what video I'm doing. You know, gotta bring it around at this point. Got my my non-brand beverage for the evening to help me along the way. I've got my other non-brand beverage to help me out along the way. So, let's see what happens, everybody. Couldn't figure it out. Now, I'm in the process of re-downloading an image of Raspbian, and it just broke. That's nice. It's good. It's broken now. That's nice. It's real good. It's real good. So not only is it not working, guys, it's broken now. That's great. Outside of that mental breakdown, I'm not having luck getting it to work, so I'm downloading a new image of Raspbian Stretch to re-image my SSD on the Raspberry Pi. At that point, given how much I tried to install and compile the library last time, I'm thinking maybe it got corrupted somewhere along the lines where now it's to the point whenever I try to go ahead and just load and boot my Raspberry Pi, it freaks out, breaks. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it's a bad sign, so re-imaging is probably a good idea. So we're gonna do that. If it doesn't work, maybe it's not time for facial recognition software. Maybe it's time for Furby races. You know, Furby. Not a bad idea, actually. Furby races? Furby races? Makes Furby better. Stay tuned.